Hi, hello. It's been a very long time. I've been very busy with college and all kinds of things. And despite that, I have actually been manically making junk journals. Now, a while ago, Natasha from Treasure Books showed a very easy way of making junk journals, and I really have to agree with her. It is addictive. I tried to follow her tutorial and it was so easy, and I made quite a few. So I thought I'd give you a quick look at these because I'm going to put them up on Etsy. And there's 4 of them, and I'll just call them by their names that I attached here with the tag. So there's Fragile, there's, well, 4.5, but also it's an art journal. We've got Official Business, and we've got Amusement Only. So they are basically all the same, but I think I'll just give a longer kind of look at them with this journal, and then a quick flick through the other 3. So the journals have a soft spine, and they have a quite nice and sturdy cover. It's really quite hefty, which is very nice, so you don't have to be super careful with the journal. The individual signatures are bound, so I have done a pamphlet stitch in this journal. You can see here with a nice bookbinding thread, but they are bound together by sticking the signature covers together, and that makes the signature covers actually very, very sturdy as well, and it's quite strong. I'm using one of these myself at the moment, and they are very, very sturdy, and you know, seem to be up to a lot of writing and drawing and whatever you want to do in them. So let's start at the beginning. So the cover here, I've put in a nice little what do you call it, label holder, so whoever uses this book can put their own name onto it, or a little note, that a little piece of paper that says notes. And the tag can of course be taken off if that's kind of too cumbersome. It's easily replaceable on this fabric. The fabric is very sturdy as well. It's a what do you call that sturdy cloth that you use for furniture and yeah, I can't think of the word. Anyway, so opening it up, there's a little front cover inside with a small little pocket here, and one of those tucks. Then there's a variety of pages, from coffee dyed to book pages, ledger pages, some shorthand. The signatures are all following the same pattern, so there's always a couple of coffee dyed pages, and there's ledger, and there's also the tracing paper and the book pages in each and every one of them. Now this journal here has got some sewn on decorations on the kind of dividers in the middle. I've put on a nice little lace border, and then on the back side there's always a decorated page. So here is a couple of side pouches or pockets, and you know, I've put some things in there just for, it's going to stay of course in the journal as I sell it, but it's I can obviously put something else in there. I won't go through all the signatures again. Let's go through the other covers here. So here's a pocket with a beautiful little piece of paper, and here is a pocket you can put something in. Let's move on to this one. Another pocket with a tag, and this is actually also a pouch that you can put something into. And onto this one, again a very nice sturdy lace trimming on the side, and here is kind of fold out with the tag to write on. There's actually space here up in the envelope to put something in. There's a few tickets and bits and pieces to go into these pockets. And another tag that can be removed here and be put back in. And let's turn to the inside cover back, and we've got another piece of paper for journaling and a decorated tag for writing on, and a simple back to lie down flat. Now these books are really quite handy. They lie completely flat, so you can write on every page. It's very easy to write and draw in them. Sometimes maybe when you get to the end, you may want to put something underneath to give it a little bit of more stability, but the back and front cover are actually quite sturdy. So that is Fragile, and I'm going to go through the other ones, but really just fast forwarding to the interesting bits. Now the other journals do not have lace on any pages, but they are essentially all done the same way, and they all contain a similar sort of decoration inside. It varies, but depended on the materials that I had at hand. So here we go, a little pouch there, a folding out envelope with a few things already in there. You can move the tag around. There's a tag here that goes in here. There's also space for another tag there. Let's go to the other one. Here's another one of these pouches with flap, so you can put something in here, a bit smaller than this, and you can put something at the back. Another one of those side tucks, also filled with the same kinds of papers. This is neat because you can see through the little window, which I always think is a fun kind of thing to have. Once again, this is a signature inside. You can see it's the same papers. And here's the last divider with a pocket here. There's a tiny little envelope hidden in here. It's a separate pouch. And then there's actually another one up here. And return to the back. Put a couple of things in here. Just a little journaling space. And a couple of other pieces of paper. This even folds out a bit. And this one on the back also has the beautiful castle scene. and just a fun little pouch, but it lies fairly flat, so it's not going to obstruct you if you are writing in it. Let's go to official business. Now this one I have deliberately created to look a little bit more masculine, maybe, just because, well, you know, maybe somebody would like to give this as a gift to a man. So here's official business. Again, it has the nice little label on the front. You can write your own name on it. The pouch here with a journaling space and another tiny pouch and pocket there. Now this one has little tabs for easy relocating through the book. Here we have another pouch. This is one also. Oh no, that one was actually glued down. There's a random little pouch here. Here we have a few pouches and bits and pieces just stuck into this little playing card. One of these pockets with a pocket here, a pocket there. Here is a little love letter that can be opened up and used. It's kind of been pushed in there to hold it close. And there's a tuck. Little envelope attached there. This one has a few extras in it. Here we have another tag and a pocket that actually opens up on this side. A couple of small things in this pouch. And a tuck. And on the back, this time a fabric tuck with journaling card and a tag stuck in there. And that's the back of this one. And the final one, the art journal. This can be taken out, of course. It's not stuck into it. So here we go, a nice big pouch at the front. This one is decorated a little bit more inside. All of these folded pages, these are original, came from original ledgers. They all have been kind of designated with a little picture, just so you know that there's something you can open up. And again, on the dividers, we have a pouch. Oh, and this one I haven't, that's right, because there was so much decoration in this, I did not put a major thing on each divider. But here's a nice little cluster. These are always slightly decorated on the back as well, so that they look good from both sides. Here we've got a top-loading pocket with a tag. Plenty of these pages. This is great for writing in. And here's a envelope fold out with a tag there and another tuck there. There's lots of little surprises in this. And here's the end with a tuck like that, side tuck, and a tiny little place pocket for a tag there. And then this one also has a small little pouch on the back for another tag. So these are my super easy journals a la treasure books, and they have been great fun to make, and they are great scrap busters as well, and I'm completely addicted to making these, so I'll probably make more, but for the moment these are going into my Etsy shop. So if you're interested to have a look at them, have a look at the link in the info box below, and otherwise hopefully I'll get going on more videos soon. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.